Hey y'all, this is Kelly Martin with Home and Farms Realty. Thank you for joining us today. We are super excited to be showcasing this beautiful horse farm located in East Tennessee in this cute little area called Soddy Daisy. He's getting a drink of water right now in his automatic waterers, which is super awesome about this barn. Come take a tour with us. This is an absolute custom barn that is on a block foundation with hardy siding throughout and standing seam roof. It is built so well, it is built like a house. Outside it does have an actual true cupola on it that allows venting inside these already very high ceilings or roof pitch. You have an oversized barn aisle. This is over 20 feet wide, which makes it fantastic for moving anything in and out of your barn or your farrier or multiple horses in your aisle. The stalls all feature these sliding doors, which do have these parts which close off or open up for feeding or allowing the horses to hang their heads out. And then you do have your hay feeders and your grain feeders over here. Inside the stalls, you all have automatic waterers, and then you have stall skins inside the stalls for great drainage and keeping your stalls clean. And then each stall does have a Dutch door, which you can open the upper part for a window, or you can let the horse go in and out and add additional pastures that way. We have 4 stalls on one side and we have 4 stalls on another side, and they are all 12 by 12s. We do have tongue and groove throughout this barn. Over here we do have a wash bay, which does have warm water inside of it, and it does have additional Dutch door, which will allow you to go in and out if you want, or what some people do is they allow the horses to put their heads out while they're bathing the horse. In here we have our feed room, which you completely can close off, and it is tongue and groove all the way up and around. And you have plenty of room for storage in here for your grain or supplements, your charts on how you're going to feed your horses. And then on the outside you have a door where you can exit into the outside if you need to. Inside the tack room here, you have plenty of space. You have laundry, you have a sink, and then you do have a water closet in here. Over here you have your tack storage with your tongue and groove all the way up and your ceilings. You have climate control in here and plenty of power. You also have a door that will take you to the exterior as well.